In this tutorial, we'll show you how to apply new materials and edit them using the material editor. Load a scene in Spatial Stage and open a new browser window. We recommend this setup when working with materials for easier access. Then go to the material library. Spatial Stage offers over 1,000 editable materials in its library. To apply a material, simply drag and drop it onto any surface in the scene. Another option is to double-click to select a material slot on a 3D model and then choose a material. You can also go to the editor, select the material slot there, and change the material. Now you can start editing. For example, the pattern on this fabric looks too large. Let's fix that. Make sure the correct material slot is selected. Then go to the material editor and adjust the tiling. The higher the number, the smaller the pattern will appear. There are many other settings you can adjust. Let's try changing the color. I don't want it to be so saturated. Let's tone it down a bit. Once you're happy with the changes, you can copy the material, select another object, and paste it. I'll apply it here as well. We can also change the material on the wall. Again, make sure you've selected the correct material slot. How about making it blue? Let's soften the color a bit. Feel free to experiment until it fits the mood you're going for. Browse the library to explore other materials like plastic, metal, wood, and more. If you find one you like, you can save it to your favorites. And that's it. It's super easy. If you need help, feel free to send us a message. You'll find our contact details in the description. Thanks for liking the video and subscribing to our channel.